losing time, I'm fading fast. I just wanna make it last. Try to let go of the past. I close my eyes, embrace the blast. Sleepless nights and headaches stack. Restlessness to hell and back.
Xiaomi 14 series will launch on global market in 24th of February. Fast refresh rate LTPO OLED display, new Snapdragon 8 Gen 3 flagship processor, infinity variable aperture camera setup, superb in design, fast charging and many more. Today I am going to show you unboxing and review of Xiaomi 14 and 14 Pro. Hey guys, Maiky from techmaiky. Please consider the subscribing and turning on the notifications by hitting that bell icon. For more amazing tech videos, let's now get to the unboxing. When you get the Xiaomi 14 Pro in black color, as you open the box, you'll find a plastic covering which you can remove. Then, open the lid to see the contents. Inside, you'll find a 120W power adapter with a Type-A output and a Type-C to Type-A cable with orange accents. Additionally, you'll get a SIM tool and a protective case in black color. That's all you'll find in the box. The Xiaomi 14 comes in a white-colored box, containing a 90W power adapter and a Type-C to Type-A cable. When you first look at the small-screen flagship phone Xiaomi 14, your attention is drawn to its bezels. The Xiaomi 14 has very slim bezels, giving it a sleek and modern look. You can also compare it with the Xiaomi 15 Pro to see the difference. The thin bezels give the phone a high-end appearance. In the Xiaomi 14, you'll find a metal frame with a glossy finish, which looks quite attractive and advanced when viewed from the front. When you look at the front of the Xiaomi 14 Pro, you'll notice a significant difference. It boasts an almost full-screen display with micro-curved glass. The rounded angles of this generation give it a comfortable feel, and the curved glass edges add to the sliding effects, making interactions smooth and enjoyable. However, due to these curved edges, finding a suitable screen guard might be challenging in the market. But this time, Xiaomi 14 Pro comes with self-developed Dragon Crystal glass protection, addressing the need for durable screen protection. Now let's talk about the screen quality in the Xiaomi 14 series. The Xiaomi 14 features a 6.36-inch OLED display with a resolution of 1200 by 2670 pixels. It offers a refresh rate ranging from 1 Hz to 120 Hz LTPO, bringing improvements in pixel density. On the other hand, the Xiaomi 14 Pro comes with a larger 6.73-inch OLED display, offering a higher resolution of 1440 by 3200 pixels. Similar to the Xiaomi 14, it also features a refresh rate ranging from 1 Hz to 120 Hz LTPO, providing users with a high-quality viewing experience. Other screen specifications remain consistent across both models. The screens feature C8 luminescent material and offer manual brightness of up to 715 nits. For local HDR brightness, they reach up to 1405 nits. Both phones support a 120 Hz adaptive refresh rate and boast a 12-bit color depth on their displays. In the primary color mode, users can enjoy a 98.6% color gamut. The average delta E of the sRGB color gamut is as low as 0.24. When switching to bright mode, color accuracy improves further, reaching up to 0.29. In this phone, you can expect superb color accuracy. Not only that, but the screen also supports DC dimming and features a high-frequency 1920 Hz PWM dimming feature. With native blue light design, overall eye protection is ensured, enhancing the display experience. Now, shifting focus to performance, the phone is powered by the Snapdragon 8 Gen 3 processor, which is the flagship processor of the year. Additionally, it comes equipped with an annular cold pump for efficient heat dissipation, ensuring optimal performance even under heavy usage. Friends, I've already uploaded the performance test and gaming test video of the Xiaomi 14. If you haven't watched it yet, you can find the link in the description below or in the card above. Be sure to check it out. Now, let's talk about the battery and charging of the Xiaomi 14. The Xiaomi 14 features a 4610 mAh battery with support for 90W wired charging. On the other hand, the Xiaomi 14 Pro is equipped with a larger 4880 mAh battery, supporting 120W wired charging and 50W wireless charging. Now, let's move on to discussing the camera. This time in the Xiaomi 14 series, we witness a significant upgrade in the camera department, featuring a surprising configuration. Let's start by examining the hardware of the sensors. The main camera of the phone boasts a 50-megapixel military light hunger 900 custom sensor, with a sensor size of 1.31 inches. Additionally, it supports dual native ISO Fusion Max, which means it offers a large dynamic range. Moreover, it provides a native 14-bit color depth, both phones have differences in aperture size for their main cameras. In the Xiaomi 14, you'll find a fixed aperture size of f1.6 for the main camera. On the other hand, the Xiaomi 14 Pro features a wider aperture size of f1.4 for its main camera, with a variable aperture ranging from f1.42 to f4.0. Additionally, it includes a floating telephoto lens with an f2.0 aperture, supporting 3.2x optical zoom with a 75mm equivalent focal length. Moreover, it also supports 10cm macro shooting. Let's talk about the differences in the telephoto cameras between the two phones. The Xiaomi 14 comes with a 32-megapixel telephoto camera, while the Xiaomi 14 Pro boasts a 40-megapixel telephoto camera. Both phones offer the same portrait mode capabilities. Now, shifting focus to the ultra-wide camera, both phones feature a 50-megapixel ultra-wide camera with an f2.2 aperture and a 14mm equivalent lens. However, the Xiaomi 14 Pro allows for 5cm macro shooting with this ultra-wide camera.
Losing time, I'm fading fast. I just wanna make it last. Try to let go of the past. I close my eyes, embrace the blast. Sleepless nights and headache stack. Restlessness to hell and back. What's my purpose? What do I grab? A slippery surface, a heart attack. And sometimes you just gotta believe there's something that'll give you relief. There's something that'll have what you need. What you need. We're broken, it's tragic. We're not all elastic, but maybe there's magic. Believe you could have it. And I know of sadness, the anxious and panic, the infinite vastness of all that is blackness.
Now, let's discuss the most significant change in the Xiaomi 14 series, the inclusion of HyperOS out of the box, marking the end of MIUI era. So, what are the differences between MIUI and HyperOS? The most noticeable change lies in the lock screen. Holding the screen will reveal a variety of styles, including the classic lock screen. You'll find three major categories: travel, time, and video magazines. In the classic lock screen, you'll find it reminiscent of the previous lock screen, but with a wider selection of widgets available for customization. For instance, you can choose a digital time widget where you'll have access to different colors and fonts. You can also opt for a digital magazine look where the time is integrated into the picture, giving it a premium and attractive appearance. Moreover, you can view this clock on the lock screen itself, and the transition effect adds to its appeal, making it eye-catching and seamless. Moreover, HyperOS offers a significantly improved level of fluency. App openings are notably quick and smooth, and daily use is devoid of frame drops, providing users with a seamless experience. Additionally, its integration with other devices is remarkable, offering excellent cross-device integration. According to leaks, the price of the Xiaomi 14 Pro could be around €1,099. In conclusion, the Xiaomi 14 series offers several standout features. Its greatest advantage lies in its performance, accompanied by a well-balanced display and a powerful camera setup. The Xiaomi 14 Pro's full-body curved screen enhances its appeal, providing excellent performance for daily use. Now, I'd like to hear your thoughts. Which feature of the Xiaomi 14 series impressed you the most? And at what price point do you think it should be launched? Please share your opinions in the comment section below. So what you guys think about it? Tell us your thoughts in the comment section below. If you have any questions, also give this video thumbs up, and make sure to share it with your friends. Lastly, subscribe to our channel for more amazing tech videos. Well, as me signing off, thanks for watching. Have a great day and keep smiling, and I will see you in the next one.